Okay, this is a quick video tutorial to tell you how to edit a Saints Row 3 normal map in Photoshop. First we're loading the normal map, and I'm going to load in the one that everyone else will probably load in, which is the female body normal map. And in the NVIDIA plugin you want load default sizes checked and load bitmaps unchecked, and we'll click OK. And as you'll see, this isn't the usual bluey normal map. Some of the colour channels have been swapped around. So first we'll click on the alpha channel, click on select, and then select all, then edit, and click on cut. Now we'll click on the red channel, click on edit, and then paste. Now we'll click on the blue channel, click on edit, fill, and we want to fill this completely in white. And now as you can see, this is the normal sort of bluey normal map. Now to improve the quality a bit, we can click on filter and go to the NVIDIA normal map filter, and we want to click on normalize only and click OK. And this has slightly improved the quality. It's optional, so you don't need to do it. Now it's a good idea to duplicate this so you have a baseline for when you convert back into a normal map from a height map. So we'll right click on your layer and duplicate it and its background copy, so click OK. Now we untick the visibility and click on background because that's the one we want to edit. Click on channels again, make sure RGB is selected, and we'll click on filter and the NVIDIA normal map filter. Now we need to convert it to a height map so we can edit the normal map. So click on convert to height, and you want to make sure that invert X and invert Y are both got ticks by them, and click OK. And this takes a little while, and it'll convert it into a grayscale height map, white being the shallowest and black being the highest height. Okay, so you can now edit this. We'll just do a little squiggle on the forehead. Okay, and it'll be a good idea once you've edited this to save this copy, because converting it back into a normal map degrades the quality, so you don't want to keep converting back and forth. Okay, once you've edited it, you want to go to filter, and then the NVIDIA normal map filter, and you want to click on average RGB, and you want to click the invert X and invert Y so they haven't got any ticks by them this time. And on the filter type, the best one is 3x3, and the scale would be around about 10. I found that to be the best, but you may need to change this value. And we'll click OK, and it'll convert it back to a normal map. Now if we go to layers, we can click and unclick the visibility of our previous layer to check that it all matches up sort of approximately. And once we've done this, we can get rid of that layer, so we'll just delete it. Okay, we'll click back on channels. Now we need to convert this back into a format that Saints Row 3 can understand. So we click on the red layer, we click on edit, and we cut. Then we click on the alpha layer, edit, and paste. Now we click on the blue layer, and then edit, and then fill, and we want to fill this completely in black. Click OK. Then we want to click on the red layer, and this should already be white, but just in case it isn't, click on fill and then click on white and fill that completely in white. So if we look at them all, it now looks like a Saints Row 3 normal map. Now we need to save it, so we'll click on File and then Save, and we'll just give this a new name, and you want to save it as a DDS file. Click on Save. For the normal maps, you can either save it as an 8888 where is it? Unsigned file, so ARGB 32-bit unsigned, and this will give you the best quality, but it'll be a pretty large file. So usually we'll save it as a DXT5 file. And it looks like the plugin is freezing up, but on the image options, you want to make sure you've got color map checked. You want the highest quality, and the rest of it should look as it is on here. And then you don't want any, well, it's up to you. If you want mipmaps to improve the quality, you can click on generate mipmaps, but for the female body it doesn't have any mipmaps in the game, so you can just have it as no mipmaps, and then click save, and that save your new normal map file, and then you can just run it through the tools and convert it back into Saints Row 3. So that's the tutorial for converting a Saints Row 3 normal map.